Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use downloaded playbooks in College Football 27. It's pretty easy. Let's say if you don't know how to download a playbook, for that just go to create and share. You're gonna see the option download center. Select that, and here you're just gonna see the option playbooks at the top. Once you select it, you'll able to see a couple of playbooks for offense and defense as well. Whichever you like, you can simply select that and hit the option download. Once the downloading is done, you need to go to the option again, this one, create and share. Go to custom playbooks, and you should be able to see your downloaded playbook in offense playbook or defense playbook depending on which you have downloaded. So I had downloaded this one, DEFLA, and in offense playbook I had downloaded empty. Now in order to use it, all you gotta do, simply go to play or dynasty, doesn't matter. Once you start your match, and after basically choosing your team, you should be able to see the option team settings. Select that, and right here this offense playbooks or defense playbooks are alphabetically arranged, so you just need to go to the last one, like by moving your left stick to the left hand side, and you should be able to see your downloaded playbooks. You can see here. So this is the one I have downloaded for offense, and in defense I have downloaded this one, DEFLA. So it is that easy to use your downloaded playbook in College Football 27. You can also do one thing, like go to your game settings, and here you should be able to see the playbooks section. You can set your downloaded playbook right here as well. And yeah, that's it. This is exactly how you're able to use downloaded playbooks in College Football 27. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.